huh? I said they call me notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? They call me notes, huh? I said they call me notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? What's going on, family? You already know what it is. It's your guy C Notes, and I want to welcome you to Sneaker Notes. This is the first episode of the channel. You already know what I need you to do if you're family. I need you to subscribe. I need you to share it. I need you to like it. I need you to unlike it. You know, however you feeling at the time. Today is Thursday, so you already know what today's about. It's all about Supreme. The Supreme drop came out today, and it was Public Enemy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like I'm a big fan of Public Enemy, Chuck D. If you ask the young kids, all they gonna tell you about Public Enemy is Flavor Flav. But they were very, 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 very influential on fighting the white supremacy. So gotta big them up for that, man. Shout out to Public Enemy. As far as the Supreme drop, some of them clothes was, it was okay. I was lucky. I jumped on the laptop, 11 o'clock, Supreme. I caught a shirt, and I got out of there, man. Shout out to whoever found something. Let me know what y'all found, because maybe y'all could convince me that it was better than what I think it was. But let me know in the comments below what you copped, why you copped it, and if you're selling it. You know how we start the channel off, Sneaker Notes. We start off with what's on foot. Today, I went a little heavy. I got the Big Dane Force camo, you know. I'm not really a big Adidas fan, but sometimes they come out with things and it's beautiful. So in the subscription, I hit the link if y'all still looking for the Big Dane Force. And I'm gonna show y'all how they look. Okay. In the comments below, I want to see what y'all wore on foot today. I'm in the New York area. It's alright outside today. It's no snow or nothing, so that's why I went with the Big Dane Force. But I want to see what y'all had on, so make sure in the comments below, y'all show me what y'all wore on foot today. Now, we already know Saturday means Secure the Bag Saturdays. So this Saturday, we got a few sneakers dropping. The one in particular that I think is going to be the most hype is the Adidas YEEZY POWERPHASE Calabasas, the black ones. I'm not really a big fan of them, but it's Yeezy, and we support Yeezy on this channel. So I'm gonna go for them. With a price tag only $120, what are you losing, man? $120, spend that on nothing. So it's kind of a good sneaker. They sat in the closet for about 3 months, and I was like, yo, I'm gonna just let them go. So I let them go. I made like a little $40 off them, a little higher than retail. But I get the black one Saturday, I might keep them, you know. Things are always better in black. Yeah, it's nice, soft, buttery look. I like the way they mix the green on the Adidas sign, a little bit of gold in it. It's not your typical, sneaker, like athletic, but it's definitely comfortable, and you definitely can wear it every day. So the Yeezys, it's a cop for me. After that, you got the On Back 10s. Really not my thing, man. You know, I sometimes contradict myself. I really only wear the Jordans that Jordan wore. But sometimes a sneaker come out that, like, you can't say no to, like the Levi 4s, the Cause 4s. There's some Jordans that Jordan didn't wear that come out and they're a must. But these I'm back 10s, the history behind it is dope, but the all white, it's not my thing. Those retail at $190. They're not that hype, so you might be able to just go in and sneak your way in and get those. But for me, that's a no cop for me. Sorry, Jordan Brand. After that, you got the Pharrells coming out. They colorful. It's a beautiful shoe. But if you ask me, you get that for your girl. You don't put that on. The purple, the neon green, the orange, it's not my thing, man. But if you like it, I love it, man. Those retail at about, I think, $250. Go behind me and check. Like I said, man, it's not a factual station. But for me, that's a no cop. Yeah, man, so as you can see, I'm trying to get to my first 1,000 subscribers. And when I get to my first 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving away 3 bins each. These are the drop front sneaker boxes. And if you're a sneaker fan, the sneakerhead, this is how you keep your sneakers clean. This is how you keep them away from dust. And they just look cool, man. Maybe that's much. They retail at $10 a piece on Container Store. I'm giving away 3 each. As soon as I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. 3 each to 5 different people. So that's 15 bins I'm giving out. As you can see, I got them plentiful. They're taller than me. So please help me get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible, and then we'll talk about that giveaway. Other than that, I want to thank you, family, for giving me your 10 minutes of time. Sneaker Notes, please subscribe, like, comment, share. Make sure you hit that little bell right there. Ding dong that bell. So whenever I put something out, you'll get it right away. Get rich. Getting money is my BFF. I done sold more drugs than CVS. Now we on the bigger, better things. Busy, but my bills pay. 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 I'm like MJ, but I don't fade. Busy, but my bills pay. Busy, but my bills pay.